Denise Morris here, and today's quick fix tutorial video is talking about how we can use functions to combine text in Excel. We've all had a list of names or addresses or text from different cells that need to be put together. Don't do it manually. Don't. There are so many different functions I could show you inside of Excel to help you with this. Today I'm going to show you just a few functions to help you combine anything you want to combine inside of Excel. Let me show you how to do it. So we're going to look at two ways that we can combine text. One of them is using the concat function, and the other one is using the ampersand. Now, we first look at our text and decide how we want to combine it. I have a first name and a last name, and I want to put them together. So we'll first start with concat. It is a newer, updated version of the older function concatenate. It's going to string the text together. It is a text function. So I will click in E5, go up to formulas, choose text, and choose concat. Now I choose the text that I want to concat. I want to concat the first name and my text to, you would think would be the last name. If I do that and I click on D5, notice how now the name Emma Toscani is all one word. So I don't want that to happen. I need to put something in between the two text strings to allow there to be a space. I'm going to put the delimiter in there of a space. Whenever you're adding anything into the formula, you always should use quotes. So I'm going to use quote, space, quote. And then for text 3, I am going to add D5, the last name. And I can see now we have a space between the two names, and therefore it is the right track that we want to be on. I hit OK. And I can use my fill handle right here and double click. And now all of the names follow that same pattern of C5, space, whatever was in D5. Now, if you did not want to use a function and you wanted to just use a cell formula, we can do that as well using the ampersand. With using the ampersand, we're going to do equal sign. And then we're going to choose C5 and ampersand. Once again, we need to put in the space, so quote, space, quote, ampersand, D5. I hit enter and I have Emma Toscani, and it still allows me to double click to pull it down. There you go. Wasn't that a whole lot easier than doing it manually? Your text was combined in seconds. Once you've learned this, you'll never have to copy and paste again.